It is impossible to replicate the feeling of speed. The warm steering wheel in your hands, the shaking of the ground beneath you, the roar of the engine. For a fleeting moment in time, you are weightless. When you get into one of my cars, you get in to win. My drivers, I salute you. My name is Enzo Ferrari. I build the fastest race cars in the world. And in today's story, Treasure will show you how a young boy from Modena, Italy, created the greatest cars ever to drive the streets. From cars, to documents, to engines. These are the treasures of history.